Welcome back everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your Android phone, whether it's a Samsung, a OnePlus, Nexus, or Pixel, whatever it is, may not be able to connect to a Wi-Fi connection. Now this can happen for a ton of different reasons, but more specifically, you want to go ahead and kind of, dictate down to which specific issue it may be and kind of categorize it into a pool. So first of all, are you in a situation where your Android can actually discover networks, but it's just not connecting to a specific network? If that's the case, then most probably your Android phone, you may just be not typing in the right credentials or you're not connecting to the right network. Typically, if your phone is just not connecting to the specific router, it means the credentials both ways are not working out correctly. Even though you're typing in the right credentials, it may be a problem with your router itself. So you want to go ahead and actually reboot your router. So go up to your Wi-Fi router, go ahead and reboot that thing, and most probably this will end up fixing those issues. Sometimes and most of the time, it ends up being that this is the issue, and you may even be typing in the right credentials, the right password and everything, but your router is just not accepting it because there's something wrong with the router. So you're going to go ahead and have to reboot that. Now, if that isn't the issue and your phone is just not discovering any networks at all and your Wi-Fi is not even turning on, well, this is a whole nother issue. And basically what happens here is that your phone may have updated to a software version that isn't working out properly, or maybe your phone is just, temporarily glitching up. This happens all the time. So what I would recommend doing is actually rebooting your phone. So there's a ton of different ways to reboot your phone nowadays, but hold down that power button typically, or the volume up or volume down button and the power button at the same time. And this should technically go ahead and reboot your device. And once you go ahead and have your phone rebooted, I would recommend going back into your settings and seeing if you're able to connect to the Wi-Fi connections again. If you're not able to connect to Wi-Fi connections, then the next thing I would recommend doing is to reset your network connections. I would not recommend resetting or factory resetting your device yet, but what this means, resetting your network connections, it means that everything that your phone has accepted for a network connection, aka Wi-Fi passwords and all that stuff, will be cleared, as well as saved Wi-Fi. So keep that in mind. If you don't have your Wi-Fi password, then I would recommend not doing it yet. But what this will do is clear out all those network connections, and then at that point, I would recommend rebooting your device and then restarting it and going back into the Wi-Fi, and most of the time this will end up fixing those issues. If your phone fully can connect to a Wi-Fi network, then you're pretty much set and you're good to go. If you're still having issues with your Wi-Fi connection, what I would recommend doing is probably factory resetting your device. So back up everything, factory reset it. And if that still doesn't work, then there most probably is a hardware issue wrong with your phone. And your best bet is probably contacting your cell phone provider or contacting your cell phone manufacturer and setting up an appointment to fix your device. But that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.